Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial. Today I will show you how to create and use coupons in GoHighLevel. Now before we get started, you can get a 30-day free trial with our link down below on GoHighLevel. This is for everyone that is watching this video. It's acting like a free bonus for those of you who watch this video. So make sure to check that out and let's get started with a video tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to create and use coupons in GoHighLevel. So we can go and switch from the agency view to a sub account that we want to create and use coupons for. So once we obviously selected that, we can go here to payments. And as you can see from the payments, we actually have coupons right here. So basically once you land on coupons, as you can see, we'll go here and create a coupon. So once you go here, as you can see, coupons are basically, offer discounts on one-time products. Subscription coupons will be added soon. So you will soon be able to add coupons for your subscription products as well. So enter a coupon name, for example, 10% off. You can enter the coupon code, which will be 10% off, for example. You can also generate the code if you want, right? Coupon type can be percentage coupon, so it's going to be 10%. Start date can be, today, and then obviously the start date can be in 12 a.m. And then end date, we don't have end date. We can limit the total number of times the coupon can be redeemed, and then limit, for example, to 100 people, and then limit to selected products on which coupon can be applied, and we can select the products that we want. So obviously we don't have any products, so we cannot select it. Basically we can click create here, and now what we can do is we can actually go here, and this is, by the way, scheduled. It's still not live. It will be live in 12 a.m. So right now we can copy the coupon code and we can actually give this to our customers. So, and once our customers go and opt in for a product, a certain product, we can go and give them the coupon, and they will be able to get get basically 10% off on that particular service. Now, this is just like a coupon in Shopify. If you ever use coupons in Shopify, this is pretty much the same. You can use these coupons in your marketing materials or send this to your customers, and tell them that you have only 100 people can opt in for that coupon. So that's basically how you can create and use coupons in GoHighLevel. If you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below. And if you want to get a 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel, click the first link down below. Thank you guys for watching.